In this video, we're going to discuss the process of editing the lines within a particular bank. We're going to go ahead and use Bank 1, all 3-day trips and weekends off. For our example, I'm going to go ahead and close the menu shade so we can view the 59 lines that are in this bank. Now, as we review, we can come down here on the left side, and if we find a line that we'd like to move to another position, let's take line 139 for example. If we'd like to move this line, we simply click right on the line number itself. That highlights the line. And the next step is to notice these thin blue lines in between each line of flying. Those are our target lines. If I was to click on any one of those lines, line 139 that we've highlighted would be placed in between the two lines that this thin blue line represents. So for this example, I'm going to click right here and place the highlighted line 139 in between lines 102 and 123. So I go ahead and click, and you can see now that line 139 is between lines 102 and 123. You can do this with a number of lines at the same time. If I was to take line 135 and 141 and 403, these three lines, and I'd like to move them to the front of the bank in the first position, then I'd go all the way to the top. Same process. I'd click right where that thin blue line is, and now we can see those three lines have been moved up to the top: 135, 141, and 403. Now, if we were to select a line for moving, we wanted to edit it and move it to another position, and then we change our mind, we can go ahead and click that line again and deselect it. Or if we'd like to remove that line entirely, we can click again on line 102, highlight it. I'm going to come up here and open the menu shade, and notice that we have a new feature displayed, selected lines, in which case we have the option of either canceling the operation we're working on or deleting that particular line. In this case, if I delete the line, I'm going to click delete. It sends that highlighted line back to the bid package where it can be selected on a subsequent search into a different bank. And this concludes our video on editing the lines within your bank.